Hey y'all, it's your girl Lady Love with another mukbang. Okay, tonight we're having fish and shrimp. Okay, we went ahead and had some of the leftovers from last night also. Well, I am. Hold on, let me show you what we got on our plate. Okay, this is my butter sauce. This is Tashawn hot sauce that I made. And tonight, Tracy is using tartar sauce. Okay, like I said, I got a little leftovers. So I got my egg, my potato, and corn, of course. Let's dig in. Okay, it's time to eat. Okay, yesterday, I didn't talk as much because I was too busy eating. But, as I was saying, we are going to do plenty more of these mukbangs for sure. I've seen how many subscribers I have and how many likes. So thank you. Big thumbs up. Thank y'all for the support and everything.
You're cooking.
You're so good. I will be posting videos. Try to do it twice out of a week or 3 times out of a week. I don't know for sure yet, so don't hold me to it. I like doing these videos with my babies because they off the chain. And I got told today that we're real goofy and silly, and I like that. As you can see. I will be doing some that has my kids gonna be cooking too.
What kid? She gotta be talking about that.
No.
So
This one right here don't cook.
y'all get ready. He cook. He don't know how to cook everything. But
I
he
don't
cook.
cook.
I don't know how to do
Y'all get ready. I want that dish. Okay, so.
Go burn your mouth too.
Yeah, I know. It's alright. So, I was always told that I got a fat girl tendency. I don't play with nobody money when we going out to eat. Yeah, I do, don't I? I don't play with nobody money when I'm going out to eat. I don't believe in that. So, I'm cool with it. Eating a lot. I added some more stuff in the sauces. Chili powder in theirs. Well, my son's. And it's so good the next day. Oh my God, this is like so good. Okay, hold on.
Well, I was good today.
It was good today.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Trying to go back to school.
Trying to go back to school. What you mean?
Trying to go back to school.
I have no rights to this music if y'all hear the music playing in the
She
background.
not on the well, I don't want the
Nah.
copyright neither.
Just don't listen to cussing.
I hope they like doing these videos with me because I'm going to be doing a lot more. I'm going to try to talk my son into doing that grasshopper challenge that I told y'all about yesterday. And see if he going to eat the grasshopper. Did you know shrimp is actually cockroaches
Wait, what?
for the sea?
How you want to eat no more?
That's what I'm saying.
No, seriously, they in the same family.
You done got
Cockroaches that walk around,
No, they don't walk around. They crawl around.
where they crawl around, and shrimp are in the same family.
I don't even
They are, you don't want them? I'm gonna eat them. Well,
touch black
how you
person's
gonna say I don't want them and then gonna holler don't touch nobody's plate? Come on now.
How you said it, like,
What I'm saying, I
Basically,
I
You could have
looked it
said.
up.
You could have said it after we was done eating it.
No.
Right.
you said, like, shrimps are actually something that we eat and then we can get a disease. Like,
No, I didn't.
basically, that's
You
how
took it like
you
that.
showed me. Hey.
Oh God.
And you made us feel like they,
No, that's you feel.
but I'm still
That's exactly what I was trying to say. Made you feel some type of way.
that.
Okay, y'all. So, any questions y'all have, any comments, put them down at the bottom. Hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Hit the bell for notifications. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. They teaching me stuff.
And your outro. If you about to end it.
Yeah. I cooked the fish
I got a Louisiana thing in my shrimp.
in the oven because I don't like frying fish. I mean, fried fish is good, but I like to put a lemon on top of mine. A lot of people they quit to say, oh, certain people don't know how to cook. I'm going to tell you something. As long as you know how to season food, honey, you know how to cook.
Cook.
Period.
I don't know how to season food. So
As long as you know how to season
with that
food,
being said,
we great.
I don't know how to cook.
But if you want to sit there all the time and use salt and pepper, child, salt and pepper get played out. I like to get all kind of season, try all different kind of things. One of these mukbangs would be a piece of spaghetti, which
I ain't never
is
heard
good.
that one. I ain't never heard of that one.
Well, we had
Dang,
it
I
when we
forgot
was in
the glove.
project. Pizza spaghetti contains and the ingredients in it is the regular spaghetti, how you would do spaghetti, and you put it in the you put cheese on top of it and put pepperonis on it, and then put some more cheese on top of it. Put a little bit of parsley and oregano on it if you want to. I love them. And put it in the oven. Let it cook for like 30 minutes, maybe 35. And you'll have your meal. A lot of these recipes,
Nah.
I'll be looking at and be like, I'm finna try this. I like to try different foods. Like, it's good for you to try different foods. Don't be keep eating the same old stuff. That stuff get played out. She over here hollering, and I ain't got no hot sauce.
No, it's like the season. Got my nostril in the throat.
The Old Bay.
And it's dry. When you eat it, when you get the full thing with hot sauce, it's dry.
No, it's not.
with tartar sauce.
You the one that wanted that tartar sauce. You
It's
had
good.
season over here. You scared to eat it with the other season.
It's good with fish, so.
Yeah, it's great with fish.
Alright, let's be honest though. Y'all know y'all don't want this shrimp. Let's be honest.
I'm done with my
You're
shrimp.
not.
This is my last one.
Like behind the scenes type stuff. Y'all know y'all don't want this shrimp.
Nah, you ain't getting none of my shrimp.
This is my last one.
So you heard him ate your shrimp, so he wouldn't ask for it. I got some mess. I swear these kids. I went and picked up my ribs and cabbage. Oh my god. Okay. And cabbage for Sunday dinner.
What happened?
So I'm ready for that. Y'all seen that? Cause I was hoping y'all didn't see that. Like it just flew up out of my mouth like out of nowhere.
I don't know what happened.
That's good, honey. But you know, YouTube, they look at everything. They pay attention to all.
Oh God, my throat.
What else? So what I'm gonna have Sunday, it will be ribs, homemade mashed potatoes, macaroni. I don't eat macaroni, so that's why I'm making me mashed potatoes. Fried cabbage, a salad, and cornbread. Yeah, we having salad.
I ain't done.
Oh, okay.
What I'm gonna do with one shrimp?
Eat it.
And what? Ask for another and don't get it?
Oh my god.
See, ain't no point in it.
Like that. Eat your fish. I did good. Once again. Upload this and that today after I get it edited and everything. But we're gonna share it. You know. Peace out, y'all. Hit us up. Let us know what you think about the videos. Thank you for looking, subscribing.